There's growing unease among some healthcare workers over the working arrangements at the government-run COVID-19 vaccine Blitz sites in Clarendon. Workers say if their concerns are not resolved, there could be disruptions in the program. Details in this report.
Nurses, doctors and the other health personnel who work at COVID-19 vaccine Blitz sites in Clarendon say the working conditions have become inhumane in recent weeks. We were told that this meal that would be considered a snack for most persons is what the workers are fed at the vaccine Blitz sites.
Since of lately, no lunch has been provided. We get cake from like pineapple slice or tutti frutti cake with a bottle of water to last us for the day.
Remuneration is also an issue. The workers say they have not been paid since September.
We sign a contract that will be paid certain amount for the day. For the day includes from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Sometimes later beyond 5, and we do not get paid for overtime.
The workers warned that they cannot guarantee smooth operations at the vaccine Blitz sites if their concerns are not addressed.
We have families to take care of. Most of these ladies and gentlemen who work on these locations, they do not have any other source of income, right? And to be sacrificing your time on a Saturday and on a Sunday, come on, man, I'm very sure they can do better than that.
The chairman of the Southeast Regional Health Authority, Wayne Chen, explained that the meal arrangements of the past were from the donations from good corporate citizens. He said now that the vaccination program has been normalized as part of regular work, the workers are responsible to feed themselves. The SERA chairman said there have been delays in the payments from the Ministry of Health, which has to process the workers' claims. A copy of the contract given to workers states that they will be paid a stipend for the work done at the Blitz sites. As for food, the document said lunch, snacks and water will be provided on availability. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.